Welcome to our channel. Improving streaming quality on Google Drive ensures smooth playback of your videos. Here's a simple way to enhance your streaming experience. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to drive.google.com. Sign into your Google account if you're not already logged in. Step 2. Locate the video file you want to stream. Click on the video to select it and preview it in Google Drive's built-in player. Step 3. Before streaming, ensure your video file is in a web-friendly format such as MP4, AVI, or MOV. These formats stream better than less common video formats. Step 4. Check your internet connection speed. For smooth streaming, you need at least 5 megabits per second for standard definition and 25 megabits per second for high-definition content. Step 5. Click on the video to open it in preview mode. Look for the settings gear icon in the bottom right corner of the video player. Step 6. Click the settings icon and select the highest available quality that your internet connection can support. Options typically include 360p, 720p, or 1080p. Step 7. If streaming is still buffering, try downloading the video for offline viewing instead. Click the three-dot menu and select Download to save the file locally. Step 8. Clear your browser cache and cookies to improve performance. Go to your browser settings and clear browsing data, then restart your browser. Step 9. Close other browser tabs and applications that might be using bandwidth. This frees up internet resources for smoother streaming. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.